Hi friends! I'm in my kitchen. I just got back from the farmer's market. I have a basket of fresh fruits and vegetables. Let's go through them, cut them, and sort them together. First, I'm going to grab anything I see that is orange. Starting with this. This pumpkin is orange. Let's cut the pumpkin. Is a pumpkin a fruit or a vegetable? Fruits usually have seeds and are sweet. Vegetables grow on plants. They're something you can eat, but they don't taste as sweet. Pumpkin is a vegetable. The orange pumpkin is a vegetable. Something else orange in my basket. An orange. That's right. An orange. We're gonna cut it. This orange is sweet and juicy. It is a fruit. That's right. Very good. We're gonna put this in the fruit pile. The next orange item that I have found is a carrot. Let's cut our carrot. Do you eat carrots? Carrot is a vegetable. You know, superheroes eat vegetables. That's how they get so strong and powerful. Next, let's go for anything in the basket that is red. Starting with this. This is called a pomegranate. Let's cut our pomegranate. This red pomegranate is a fruit. Next we have this red strawberry. That's right. Let's cut our strawberry in half. Whoa, that strawberry went into the sink. A strawberry is very sweet. It's delicious. Strawberry is a fruit. Next, we have a tomato. A tomato. This is a tricky one. A tomato is actually a fruit. However, we consider it a vegetable. Now, let's go for anything that is green. How about this? This is broccoli. Let's cut the broccoli. This green broccoli is a vegetable. Do you eat your broccoli? It'll make you big and strong. Next we have a green watermelon. Let's cut our watermelon. And the watermelon, one of my favorite summer treats, is the watermelon a fruit or a vegetable? Watermelon is a fruit. Something else that we have that is green. This is a green lime. The lime is a fruit. Our next item is a green pepper. Let's cut the green pepper. Have you ever had a green pepper? I love green pepper dipped in hummus. And usually, it's always vegetables that I dip in my hummus. So, this pepper, yep, it's a vegetable. All right, here's my last green item in my basket from the farmer's market. This is an avocado. I'm gonna cut the avocado. This avocado is a vegetable. The next color that that I'm going to take from my basket is purple. Here are some purple grapes. Grapes come in purple and green. These purple grapes are a fruit. Next we have a purple onion. Onion, it's a vegetable. What about a purple eggplant? That's right, the eggplant, it's a vegetable. Let's see what I have in my basket that is yellow. A pear. A pear is yellow. This pear is a fruit. Wow, my fruit basket's getting really full. Here's another yellow item. This yellow item is corn. Let's cut the corn. Corn is a vegetable. The next item in my basket is a yellow banana. Let's peel the banana. We'll throw the peel in the trash. You know what? I think I'll just eat the banana. And this banana is a fruit. Alright, I only have a few items left in my farmer's market basket. And they're brown. First, I'm going to start with this. This is a potato. Let's cut our potato. This is a potato. Let's cut our potato. Did you know French fries are made from a potato? Maybe you like mashed potatoes? Either way, a potato is a vegetable. The next item that I have in my cart is, wait, what is this? This is not a fruit or a vegetable. This is an ice cream cone, and this is a snack. We'll save the ice cream for dessert. First, we have to eat our fruits and vegetables. All right, my next item is a brown kiwi. Whoa. Kiwi is green on the inside. A kiwi is super juicy and is a fruit. And finally, the last item in my basket today. This is an interesting one. Really, it's white. This is garlic. Let's cut the garlic into what we call cloves. This garlic is a vegetable. Wow, great job! Our basket's empty. Thank you so much for joining me today and helping me put away and cut my fruits and vegetables. See you next time!